It won't become law because it has to go back to the Lok Sabha. And the Lok Sabha had adjourned at 1 p.m. yesterday. Sine die. Anyway, the matter will go to the budget session. It won't become law. So if the matter will anyway go to the budget session, what was the purpose of saying extended beyond 12 p.m., 12 midnight? So I think we must understand the BJP's game. It is a game where they run with the hares and hunt with the hounds. They had no intention of supporting or passing the Lokpal bill. They were taken aback, disappointed when we succeeded in passing the bill in the Lok Sabha. They hit upon a new device, a new stratagem by moving 187 amendments and entering into an understanding with some parties to force 3 amendments down the government. And then they expect that the government should sit late and pass the bill. That's simply not on. This will go into the budget session. We will take up the bill in the budget session, and we will see that the bill is passed in the Rajya Sabha and budget session. In the meanwhile, of course, we will talk to the parties to see how any of their concerns can be accommodated. As I see it, and I say this with respect, government has discharged its obligations. We introduced the Lokpal and Lok Ayukta bill in the winter session. That was the sense of the House. It was not a Lokpal bill alone. The sense of the House was Lokpal and Lok Ayukta's bill. We accepted crucial amendments proposed by other parties' members in order to enable passage of the bill in the Lok Sabha. We got the bill passed in the Lok Sabha on the 27th of December. We introduced the bill in the Rajya Sabha on the 28th of December. We facilitated a full discussion on the bill in the Rajya Sabha on the 29th of December. We made every effort to ask the members' parties to support the bill and pass it as it was passed in the Lok Sabha. We reached out to other political parties in order to accommodate their concerns, but we failed to elicit a response. We have done everything possible to get the bill passed. Unfortunately, it was not passed yesterday in the Rajya Sabha, but at least the bill has not been defeated in the Rajya Sabha. The bill is still safe. It can still be taken up in the budget session. Imagine if the bill had been defeated in the Rajya Sabha. That would have made it worse. The bill has not been defeated. We will take it up in the budget session and we will pass it. But clearly, there was an understanding by the BJP with some parties to introduce numerous amendments which by no stretch of imagination could have been examined, analyzed, consolidated, discussed, accepted or rejected in the time that was available yesterday. 187 amendments in the second house, which is considering a bill already passed in one house. I've never heard of it before. I recall that the promise that was made was that we will introduce the bill in the winter session. We not only introduced the bill, we got it passed in the Lok Sabha. And we made every effort to pass it in the Rajya Sabha. And I maintain it would have passed in the Rajya Sabha if they had agreed to the same form in which it was passed in the Lok Sabha with those 4 or 5 critical amendments. It's only the 187 amendments which played spoiler.
You did not anticipate.
Of course not. Who anticipated 187 amendments after a bill is passed with critical amendments in the other house? Did anyone anticipate that? Whatever we had agreed in the discussions in the Joint Drafting Committee underwent some change in the all-party meetings. Please remember, just because 5 members of the government and 5 members of Shri Anna Hazare's team agree, that cannot be passed in the parliament unless the political parties agree. There were all-party meetings. All the parties expressed their views and they had to be accommodated too. Take for example Lok Ayukta. In the JDC they insist on a Lok Ayukta. We said no, we can't bring Lok Ayukta into the Lokpal bill. But then when it came to the all-party in the sense of the House was Lok Ayukta, we had to bring Lok Ayukta back into the bill. For I think we must remember that while it was important to arrive at some area of agreement with Shri Anna Hazare's team, it is more important to arrive at an area of understanding with the political parties, because it is the political parties that will help us pass the bill. For you must take note of the proceedings of the all-party meeting also.